My name is Jason Blinkensock with RuenWorx. Today we're going to be making a chainsaw out of all this stuff on the table. Some flat bar, some hardware store bar, some bar that I got from a friend, real chainsaw blade, a melon baller, spoon handle. I don't know if you see my other videos, but I use a lot of spoons. Some shopping cart bar from a shopping cart, and a saw blade that I've been cutting the teeth off of for a while. Alright, let's get to cut these up and making a chainsaw. I'm just randomly cutting about how big I think the body's gonna be for the chainsaw. Same with the bar for the chain. I'm just gonna randomly pick how long I want the bar and cut that too. Alright, looks like I've already been welding on this bar, but what we gotta do is grind off all the galvanizing. This is outside, so then you just galvanize it so when it rusts. What we need to do is grind that off to make it easier to weld onto. I don't know if you guys noticed that, but I also ground the round part in to the front of the chainsaw while I was at it. Okay, when I was explaining everything that I was going to use, I forgot to put this out there from an office drawer that we're going to use to cover up the ends of the square tube. But right now I just got to grind off the rest of the paint. These are the pieces we just cut. And now I'm just going to be tack welding them onto the square tube to close up the gaps. On this side are the gear drive teeth. Teeth right here on this side are the cutting teeth. We're gonna grind off the cutting teeth to make it easier to weld onto the bar. We're gonna use the gear drive teeth to showcase them because I think they look cooler. Then it'll be safer because these cutting teeth are real sharp. That looks better. Now let's weld it up. Alright, I wanted to grind all this rust off real quick. And some of these ugly ass welds. The reason I weld so ugly and unprofessional is because I used to be a really good welder. I used to weld professionally, but I was in a motorcycle accident that left me legally blind, so now I just am able to stick things together. So I can't really weld that great anymore because it's very hard for me to see the weld puddle, and this is what I gotta deal with. So at least I can still stick stuff together. Okay, what we're doing now is we're bending up the handle to the top of the chainsaw. I'm using shopping cart bar for this. Before we weld that on, we're going to need to weld the bucking spikes. For those of you guys who don't know what bucking spikes are, the spikes that stick out on the side of the blade like that to help prevent kickback. Right now I'm going to be welding the melon baller to the top to use as an air filter. There's the air filter. This is a cut off piece of that 1/2-inch stainless steel bar that I had laying up here. I just cut a piece off of it. Now I'm going to weld it on there. This is what the rip cord is going to go on to. I just gotta cut this off and trim this one too after I get done welding it on. Alright, what I'm doing now is I'm going to draw the bottom plate where the handle will attach to. Now we're going to go cut it out. Making the handle for the rip cord. Oh shit, we got it again. Sweet. There we got that one too. Sweet. There it is. Now I gotta clean it up on the wire wheel and clear coat it and she'll be done. Alright, so I decided not to wire wheel it. I didn't want all this getting caught on the wire wheel and sucking my hands into it. So I'm just gonna wire brush it. What I'm doing now is lacquer thinnering it because I'm gonna clear coat it with some Rust-Oleum clear coater. Alright, I'm going to clear coat the bottom first so the top doesn't go messed up. Alright, I had to switch locations for the clear coat. It was too cold over there. This thing isn't drying fast enough. So here's the final product. Please like and subscribe. Also, please go on our website. There is a lot more sculptures on the website. If you like this one, I'm sure you'll like some of the other ones I have. I appreciate you guys watching. Thanks a lot. Hope you guys found it entertaining. And hope to see you guys soon again. Thank you. Bye-bye.